Hey everybody, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If you're looking to learn hip-hop dance, we drop breakdown videos just like this every Tuesday. So like and subscribe to our channel. If you're an aspiring dancer and don't know where to start, let me coach you personally. I help you with one-on-one training, live Zoom classes with other students, and you work with me through an app to upgrade your hip-hop dance vocabulary. All right, let's get started with this video. Today, we're gonna learn a line dance called the Wobble. This line dance is originally choreographed by David Bush, and I'm here sharing this movement with you all. Before we learn this breakdown, I'm gonna demonstrate with you one time what the Wobble line dance looks like.
Back it up, drop it down, let me see you just get low, scrub the ground, let me see you just push it up, let me see you just
wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, yeah.
I'm gonna break down the Wobble line dance in two sections, the lower body and then the upper body. So starting with the lower body, we're gonna start with our legs open, wider than hip width distance apart. So you're basically gonna bounce and also shift your weight side to side. And you're gonna do this for about 2 8 counts or for a while. So you're just gonna bounce, and at the same time that you bounce, meaning bending your knees, you're also gonna shift your weight by bending the knees and shifting your weight side to side. So if I didn't do the bounce, shifting my weight side to side would look like this, right? So now when we bend the knees at a bounce and shift our weight, it would look like this. So it's almost like shifting your weight on the heels or on the feet, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But to make it very simple, you're just bouncing and shifting your weight side to side, okay? So you're doing that as your arms are waving in circular motions up and down. Without the arms, we're gonna do this for 2 8 counts. So try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, just bending the knees and shifting your weight right, left, or side to side. Now, because we're involving our arms in an upper body and a lower body situation, we're gonna shift our torso in the direction where our arms go. So we're gonna face right for 4, left for 4, right for 4, left for 4. So let's try that together. We're just doing the legs, but now shifting where our torso is being faced. 5, 6, I'll guide you in to the right and then to the left. 6, 7, 8 to the right. 6, 7, 8 to the left. 6, 7, 8. So it'll make a lot more sense when we involve our arms. And this is what our arms are gonna look like. All right, so the next part is a footwork pattern that travels forward, back, and then transitions to face another direction. Starting with our right foot, it's going to go into a it's going to go into a pattern where it goes right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So that's how you're alternating the steps. Again, just a simple breakdown of the pattern. You're just going right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Now going into that travel forward and back, your right foot is going forward, left is going back, right is going back, tap. So again, the pattern, it goes forward, middle, back, tap. So putting that together, you're going right, left, right, left. Okay. So it's almost like a little greater than, less than sign. One more time, 6, 7, right foot, right, left, right, left. And then you do the same thing, creating the same Pac-Man or greater than, less than sign on the other side. So you're going front, left, back, right, left, tap, right. So doing that again, you're going forward, back, tap. Okay? So slow, let's put both sides together. You're going right, left, right, tap. Then with the left foot, you're going left, right, left, tap. Okay? Same tempo, and then we're going to try it a little bit faster. Footwork step, right foot first. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Okay? And if this feels a little bit challenging for you, I want to encourage you to review back the section of the breakdown. Maybe even try going a little bit slower and adjust the settings on YouTube. And then we can try moving it a little bit faster once you're ready. Okay, now that you're ready, let's go 1, 2, this tempo. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, this tempo. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the final section is going to be using an alternating right-left footwork step that allows us to shift our direction 90 degrees. So with line dances, if you haven't experienced a line dance yet, it's a repetitious pattern that changes our direction that we face every 90 degree once it's complete. So we do an entire pattern, and when it's done, there's a traveling step that allows us to switch to repeat the same thing. So this is that short traveling step that we're going to use that allows us to shift our direction or shift where we're looking. So starting with the right foot, you're basically stepping right, left, right for a full 8 count. So it would go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You're always alternating your step. So it's just stepping down with the feet. You're going right, left, right, left. Now, keeping this step, you're going to use it changing your direction. So going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And now you're facing another direction. Cool? So let's try that one more time. Again, you're taking an entire 8 count to shift your direction by 90 degrees. 5, 6, right foot. First, we're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Cool? All right. Now, without music, let's try putting everything together. The arms, the leg shift, that traveling pattern forward and back, and then the transition. We're gonna do that one time with no music. Here we go. All right, everybody, let's do it with music. And this time we're gonna go 5 times in a row, starting with facing the front, side, back, side, and then end it facing the front one more time. Let's go.
Oh! 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 All the shorties in the club, let me see you just back it up, drop it down. Let me see you just get low, scrub the ground. Let me see you just push it up, let me see you just
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah.
Hey, big girl, make 'em bag it up. Make 'em bag it up. Hey, big girl, make 'em bag it up. Make 'em bag it up. Hey, big girl, make 'em bag it up. Make 'em bag it up. Hey, big girl, make 'em bag it up. Make 'em bag it up. Bag it up.
I got them shaking they boobies like congos, man. I'm shaking the city like quakes. The haters blue in the face like Gonzo, cause I'm breaking the cake, so let's bake. I'm taking the game's mine. Y'all witness the change, it's my time. Yeah, I'm new to the game, but y'all might wanna say you whack raps, daylight saving time. I can dance, homie, on two-step. Y'all looking at something like a true player. A girl told me that a man that can dance might could possibly get down with the tool in his pants. Now I'm a ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gon' need your bird. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low, then the pound it real bad, just like the percolate.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah. Get in now, yeah, yeah.
Hey, big girl, make 'em bag it up.
Yay, you got another line dance in your pocket. So trust me, when you go to these public spaces, you're definitely gonna hear the Wobble line dance. Now you're one step ahead to do this line dance in public. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe to this channel to get access to new videos just like this every Tuesday. And lastly, if you're an aspiring dancer, let me coach you personally. We do one-on-one trainings, live Zoom classes with other students, and learn with me on the Confident Dancers app. The link to apply is in the description box below. Take care and see you next week.